Hey, what's up, Moto Buddies? This is Mike from Taco Moto Co. Baja Taco Tours. We've got a 350 that's stranded out in the desert. And so in our diagnostic, one of the things we've discovered is we aren't getting any fuel out of the injector. So we're back pressure cleaning it. So what we did was we removed the injector out of the throttle body, and you can see up in there the cavity where it used to be. And there's the port. I don't know if you can see this, but right here is where the injector goes into the throttle body. So we've taken off the fuel line from the bottom of the injector, and we've flipped the injector backwards, so it's installed on the line backwards. We're powered, so when we start the bike, you're going to see some gas surging out, and so that's just the fuel pressure coming back out through the backside of the injector. And whatever clog was in there, hopefully we've dislodged it, and that's our field fix. We have no resources. We're out here in the desert by the Grand Canyon, and so hopefully that's sufficient to get this bike started.
Full taco 125.
We can't remember what this bike is. Okay, so we got the injector back in. Everything is reconnected, and here we're going to fire it up. See if it starts.
For the first time.
Injector, nailed it. All right, well, through the magic of Hollywood, we have already started it, so we're just doing this for your benefit. I didn't have the camera rolling. So that fixed this bike. We were going to be completely stranded and have to figure out a way to tow this bike, I don't know, 40-something miles back to the truck. So flipping the injector, blowing it out backwards, cleaning it, solved our problem. All right, guys, good luck if you ever have to do this out in the field. Go out and get some adventure.